What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services out at a commercial account that I actually have the fortunate blessing of 34 locations to do this year between now and the end of December. So this is the second one that I have done. So I thought I'd do a little bit of video. And then also, let me know in the comments, is there something you want to hear me talk about at some point? Go over something? If it's something within reason, I will definitely be happy to try and explain it the best I can during a video. Whether it's about cleaning, about the back end of business, as far as like how did I acquire such a client, things like that. What I do to more or less nurture a client, especially of this size, because with 34 locations, ain't no residential client. Very highly unlikely, unless they have a massive house with natural stone and want you to completely repolish it and all that, among other services that you may provide. It's highly unlikely a residential client will amount to what this 34 location once a year commercial client will be. So it's good to broaden your business out of residential and also include commercial, because there's a lot of times where these commercial accounts can actually cover you during your slower times, because it'll more likely be slower time for them too. So that's usually when they have their cleaning done, right? So just like when things slow down in life, or like kids are back in school, you know, not many people are in the house, for example, you start cleaning and getting things back in order, because it's easier to do so when nobody's there, right? Or when it's just in general slower. So let me know in the comments if there is something you want to discuss or have me discuss. I'm happy to try and talk through it if I can, especially if it's something that pertains to the job I am working on at the time. I like to talk about it on occasion, so hopefully somebody can learn. Remember, this channel is not just about ASMR, things like that. It is also about learning something. So I like to do that just because I wish I had found a YouTube channel or something like that that would go over random topics, so I could have better prepared myself a long time ago for learning how to clean something, or just, you know, maybe a business coach or something that has a carpet cleaning company. You know, if I would have found that 10 years ago, maybe I would have started my business sooner. So I just feel like it's a good thing to do occasionally, so you guys have a little something else. It's not going to be for everybody. Like I said, this channel is not just ASMR. I do have playlists, so definitely go check out the playlist if you're looking for something specific. There is an ASMR playlist. There's a residential, commercial, tile, some upholstery, I think even hardwood floors, playlists. So you guys can take a look at that. Oop. Still gotta pull some chairs. Alright, so now I'm at last main stretch of this job. So be sure to leave a comment down below of what you think of the job, but also if you have any questions, I try to answer them as much as I possibly can. I appreciate you guys watching the videos, trying to stay consistent as much as I can, just because these videos don't garner a lot of views, you know, unless I got a real nasty one to do. The viewership is likely to be 1,000 or under, and the nasty ones are the ones that get into the thousands, and they aren't every day. I know that's what most everybody wants to see, because I can tell on the YouTube analytics it's significantly different when I have a real nasty one that shapes up really well compared to a job like this where it's pretty standard commercial. It's dirty, it's just you can't tell so much because of the color of the carpet. And the past 3 years that I've been doing these, I've learned that they are actually, depending on the location, relatively dirty. It's just you're not going to see a big night and day difference at some of them, because some of them are just general to moderate soil, and then I have had a few that have tons of traffic, and they tend to be the moderate to heavy soil. So I'll probably get video of those ones when they come around and I get to do those. But yeah, I just want to keep content coming through when possible. Obviously, I want it to be entertaining, but also informational when possible. So give me ideas of stuff that you guys would like to see or hear. And I will do my best to supply that content when I have the time. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is my only job of the day outside of going and giving somebody an estimate. So I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Nolan. This is Black Diamond Services. You guys have a fantastic day. See how dirty this place really was. Like I said, it hides it pretty well, so don't be surprised. Oh yeah, see? It was actually pretty dirty there. These places are only open on average of 4 to 5 months a year. It is a tax service, but they get tons of traffic. If they were open year-round, man, I would suggest we do them twice a year, at least.